We need gold. My wallet's feeling cold. I bought a ukulele. These gens be going crazy. I gambled at the shrine, but you lose it every single time. I needed to sprint fast, wanted fire, so I got gas. Whatever will we do? We'll have to think it through. I know. I will start to sell my blood in parts. 50% ain't bad. It won't make me sad. I'll do it only once. Anymore, I'd be a dunce. I have a better plan. I'll kill some Lemury ants. Useless, wouldn't you say? Not necessarily. That would be okay. What? I'll grab a brittle crown. My gold count won't go up. I'll get a few more tomes and farm the surrounding foes. More gold than you've ever seen. Then I'll spend it all on items just for me.